drive now. Ah.
Brother Shaggy.
Hello, Shaggy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any pleasure of you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. It's me.
Why are you drinking Gary in this cold morning?
Wait, no, say to drink Gary in the morning is an acronym of a balanced diet. The sun that I like and shine in the morning is a vitamin C for the body, bone fraction. Hey!
You should have at least taken bread and tea.
Well, now for shop, you understand, but the woman where they sell her, I play 5, just like say we they go heaven. God, why?
That's simple. All you need to do is contact Area Chop.
Area Boys.
Area Chops, Brother Shag. They even have an app and a website. They will help you get your favorite food from your favorite shop anywhere, and they are very fast and affordable.
I beg, give me their WhatsApp number, make I call them now. Because they both say what? Area Shops is a solution agency of a hungry man attention. Thank you.
No, get this man go station. No.